Hello and welcome everybody. TWLO stock on 28 November. Let's see that with easy steps. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. We can go for the price here and the second price here. Absolutely, this goes to be 0 Fibonacci level and 0 Fibonacci level, and another one is going to be 1 Fibonacci level, so that the price is going to be about what is TWLO Twilio stock B. So according to the Rabbit recommends that we drew, it's going to give us difference in value between this value and difference between this level and this level and this level and this level. If we calculated that clearly, it's going to give us about maybe about 85. So it's going to be absolutely here 85 USD difference, and that is going to be the same if it increased by this part and like this and it makes this form. That means it's going to be making 0.1 Fibonacci level attachment here. Hope you benefit from this video on TWLO stock.